This is Charlie. Charlie works in an ordinary office and lives an ordinary life. But something today caught his attention. The time on his computer screen had strangely stopped working. Out of curiosity, Charlie stood up and left his office. The office seemed quiet. It was as if everyone had gone home. But Charlie's first instinct was to go to the electricity box. Charlie went through the door to his left to go downstairs. But Charlie thought that he should go upstairs first just to see if there's any workers in the building.